Inspired by cutting-edge mixology and made in the USA, Libbey Masters Reserve Stemware is a stunning fusion of strength and elegance. This premier brand features an array of collections to adorn your table with just the right touch of sparkle and beauty. From the Renaissance collection that marries modern and classic design to the Revere collection that stands tall with finesse, Masters Reserve Stemware enhances beverage service with dramatic brilliance. Masters Reserve Stemware features beadless rims for smoother sipping and is treated with Duratemp for longer service. Seamless stems add torque resistance and precision balance. In order to bring this high-end style into a commercial environment, every piece is made with slender yet fortified bowl walls and crafted from Libbey's own ClearFire glass. Plus, Libbey Masters Reserve Stemware is backed by a lifetime guarantee against rim and foot chipping. With Libbey Masters Reserve Stemware, every beverage is a luxury your guests will relish, and every glass is a smart investment your business will pride itself on for years to come.